This is a place in Mumbai. Hard to believe that a place such as this, quite removed from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai, could actually exist. Well, these hills are not the Khandala or Lonavala hill terrains. These are, I have been told, somewhat removed from those hill tracks, although there would be a connectivity somewhere, and it's all very beautiful. This is the guest house I'm living in at the moment. You can see the walls of the guest house. This is the veranda I'm presently in. That's me bringing the pictures out to you. I had thought when I started out this tour that I would be writing some stories during my stay in Mumbai. Maybe pen down all the parts of the man who knew the truth for my blog. Unfortunately, it has not been that way because my other engagements kept me off writing stories for the blog. I had also thought that I would be planning my next book under the series My Paranormal Files. Even that hasn't happened because, as I just said, I have had lots of engagements to attend to. But I'm happy that I'm carrying a lot of inspiration from here, and perhaps the writings that I have in mind would soon be in place. Before I put off this video diary today on the 15th of February 2014, let me just give you a look of this beautiful place out here in Mumbai. Unable to capture the beauty completely because of the limitations of my resources. I can tell you, if you could see the whole perspective of this scene, you would really be very happy, very appreciative of Mother Nature for having made a place like this, and appreciative of those humans who believe in encroachments for having restrained their greedy selves from raising buildings out here. The moment I try to present the whole panorama to you, these walls of the guest house act as impediments. Nevertheless, you might have got an idea as to what this place is like. This has filled me with a lot of inspiration because from a distance it also gives me the impression that perhaps Tel Aviv Hills, the fictitious hills that I use in my stories, would have a look somewhat like this. Right then, thank you very much. This is Biswajit Banerjee signing off.